Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remotely control your PC with your OPPO Reno 15 5G smartphone. First of all, you're going to have to download and install the OPPO Connect application on your PC, and then you're going to have to connect your smartphone to your computer. It's a pretty fast and easy process, and we also have a separate video on our channel if you'd like to know more about it and have step-by-step guide on how to connect your smartphone to your PC using OPPO Connect application. And once you have finished setting up the connection, either the wireless one or using the USB cable, like in my case, we can proceed by on both our computer and on our smartphone. So let's do everything step by step. On your smartphone, open Settings and then go to Device Connect menu in here, select your PC and then select Remote PC Control. Here you'll be able to choose, you're gonna have to select Connect to a new device first. Then you'll be able to use one of the two available options. So either use an account connection or a password connection. But before we do that, let's switch to our PC real quick and let's open OPPO Connect application on it. On the sidebar, select Remote Control and make sure to switch this toggle to the right. Once you switch this toggle to the right, you'll be able to see your computer in the available devices right here. Right now, I already have it here, so I'm not gonna have to go to connect to any device in order to connect to my PC. But let's also check the option, the connection option that will work with our PC and our smartphone if they aren't signed into the same OPPO account. So in this case, we can still connect using password, as you can see right here. And now to connect using password, we're going to have to select Connect to a new device, then go to Password tab, and then first enter the device code that we can find right here on the computer, and the password that you can find right below. We can also refresh the password by clicking the refresh icon. So enter your device code in this field. And your password in here. Once you're ready, click Connect and wait until your smartphone is connected to your computer. Tap right here to start controlling your PC. Okay, and so right now we can control our computer. We can increase the display. We can, for example, open this app in the full screen mode just by, so we can basically use our computer with a touch screen and navigate on our computer with a touch screen. But we can also open a text field on our computer here, for example, on Open Keyboard, and start entering something on it. Besides on keyboard, we can also use shortcut keys that you can find right here. And these shortcuts do pretty much most of the stuff that we can do on our computer. But to open controls, you're gonna have to tap on this icon, and here we can also access the mouse. That will look like this. Hope that you all are also seeing the effect of it on our computer. But yeah, basically it functions just like a regular mouse. So we can press the left key, the right key, and they will function pretty much the same as on computer. Let me close the keyboard. Now in quick actions, we can also switch displays, switch windows, we can all open Task Manager, we can lock the screen, we can send files to our PC, we can restart our PC or power off. We can also go to remote control settings and enable or disable orientation lock, change the sound output definition, exit or enter private mode. The exit in private mode will entering the private mode, which happens by default, will shut down the display on your PC, and if you exit it, you will be actually able to see what's happening on your computer. In the gestures menu, you'll be able to learn about the gestures that you can use to navigate on your computer, and in the mouse sound, you can enable or disable mouse sounds. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you're ready to disconnect, select this option right here and click disconnect. To use the regular connection type with your cable, with the same OPPO account, you just have to go to account and select your device right here. So as I said before, I already have this computer in here, and I will not be able to see it in the account section in this menu because it's already added to my trusted devices. And we can start the remote control by tapping on this icon once again, and it will be just the same as we've seen it seconds ago. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.